If you're using ClickUp to manage multiple projects, you may find that some tasks appear in more than one list. While this can be useful for organization, it can also create clutter if the task doesn't need to be connected to all of those lists. Removing it from an extra list helps keep your workflow tidy and focused. Let's go through the full process clearly and simply. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the ClickUp website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button in the upper right corner. Click it and you'll be taken to the login screen. For this guide, we'll use the Sign In with Google option, which is convenient if your ClickUp account is already connected to your Google account. Choosing this method saves you time and removes the need to manually type in a password. After clicking Sign In with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Select the one you use for ClickUp. Once you've chosen your account, ClickUp will automatically log you in and bring you to your workspace dashboard. Next, locate the task you want to remove from an additional list. You can browse through your workspace folders and lists, or simply use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you open the task, look near the top of the task window where you'll see the different list the task belongs to. ClickUp allows tasks to be shared across multiple lists, so you might see several listed there. Find the specific additional list you want to remove the task from. Right next to the list name, you'll notice a small 3 dots icon. This button represents more options. Click on it to open a menu related to that list. Inside the dropdown, you should see an option that says Remove Task from this list. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, ClickUp will immediately remove the task from that list without affecting any of the task's other locations or details. It's important to note that removing a task from an additional list does not delete the task itself. The task will remain in its primary list and in any other list that it's still associated with. This is one of ClickUp's strengths, having the flexibility to share tasks across lists while still giving you full control to remove them when they're no longer needed. After removing the task, take a moment to review your workspace. By keeping your list clean and removing unnecessary task associations, you'll maintain a more organized workflow and avoid confusion later on. This small step can make a noticeable difference, especially if you handle many tasks across multiple projects, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can streamline your ClickUp workspace and ensure your tasks are only placed where they need to be. If you run into any issues or want to explore more ClickUp features, their Help Center and community guides offer great resources to continue improving your workflow management.